We live in an exciting time of innovation in the world of medicine and healthcare. And some of the biggest reasons are the new possibilities enabled by modern medical devices. Medical devices are rapidly becoming smaller, more connected, and more intelligent, enabling comfortable, user-friendly, wearable, and implantable devices, as well as many other connected devices, including printable and patient-customized solutions. But as devices get smaller, smarter, and more capable, they also become more complex to design, engineer, and manufacture, which can slow innovation. The challenges for medical device makers include siloed design teams, greater market competition and demands, and a continuously evolving regulatory and compliance environment. Future medical device market leaders will be those who embrace digital transformation throughout the product lifecycle. And the fastest, easiest, most comprehensive path to digital transformation is with the Siemens Product Development Software Suite. It starts with the most productive modeling environment in NX, an integrated, holistic modeling environment with built-in intelligence to automate design tasks and optimize workflows. The tools let you easily work with scanned patient data to quickly personalize designs, while also enabling you to exploit innovative capabilities like additive manufacturing. Another advantage is Siemens' collaborative design and management environment, with Team Center providing a common hub of shared information for parallel design activities and easier auditability. Team Center greatly simplifies managing the end-to-end medical device design and certification process. Seamless collaboration helps you save time and avoid mistakes, make better decisions faster, and simplify communication across departments and the supply chain. The suite also supports seamless electronics integration, providing true mechanical and electronics interoperability to empower both disciplines with the ability to work in parallel with real-time visibility across each team's designs. And that enables you to discover issues earlier and resolve them faster while speeding compliance and certifications. Finally, Siemens enables simulation-driven design to integrate simulation earlier in the development process. Validation ensures device safety and effectiveness for better patient outcomes before the first prototype is ever built. And Siemens NX is the only fully integrated solution for generative design, simulation, and validation. Medical devices can be easily personalized and optimized for individual patients. And best of all, your device innovation can help clinicians and healthcare organizations meet their goals of driving better medical outcomes with greater cost efficiency. In short, the Siemens Product Development Software Suite simplifies and accelerates your ability to build better, safer, highly effective, and compliant medical devices. Discover more by visiting us on the web